The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Pull the shelf so the tabs pop out of their catch. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1189 filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Clip the shelf back into the glove box. Reinstall the glove box assembly. While pulling the dampener cord down, partially close the glove box to re-engage the stoppers and then reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.